The HCV Explorer is an online web tool to access and visualise the time series data from the Hubble Catalog of Variables. This is a short video to show you how to use the tool. This is the default that you see when you load up the tool, and you can search by target name or coordinates in the top search field and then click on search or return. This will load up all of the HCV sources in the sky view on the top left and the results table on the top right. The multi-filter candidate variables are in green and the single filters are in blue. All areas in the HCV Explorer are interactive and connected. You can pan and zoom around the sky. Click on the question mark to see more information about the sky view component. Click on the update field of view button to reload the HCV sources in the field of view. Click on the layers panel to add or remove options and to change the background color map or to change the background image, which is a hierarchical progressive survey. So there are a number of options for the color map. You can also reverse this, and there are a lot of different HIPs that are available. The sky view can be expanded to fill the size of the entire browser. Select a source in the sky to see more information about the source in the lower panel. It is also highlighted in red in the sky, and it's highlighted in blue in the results table, and the lower plots are loaded up, which we'll talk about more in a second. The results table is shown on the top left. To find more information, click on the question mark button. All of the columns can be sorted. The results are paginated, and these can be navigated through at the bottom right of the table. And when you hover over any of the column headers, this brings up the column description. Click on the download button in the bottom left to download the loaded results table. And this can be downloaded in various formats. Here we are selecting an RR Lyra source in IC1613. And in the bottom left, we see the light curves plotted for this source for the available filters. And when you hover over each point, you can see the light curve point data. You can click on the question mark to get more information about this light curve component. Click in the legend to select one or many or all of the available filters for this source. Click on the show errors to display the error bars. Zoom in on the plot by highlighting the area that you want to zoom into, so you drag from the top left to the bottom right, and then click on the reset zoom button to zoom out again. And then the whole plot can be downloaded in various formats. And finally, click on the download button to download the light curve data. This is also in various formats. The bottom right region shows a variability index plot of the median absolute deviation of the magnitudes versus the median magnitude for sources in the same group and the same filter. The selected source, as we see, is highlighted in red. Click on the question mark button to see more information about these plots. The available filters for the source can be changed. And again, the plot can be downloaded in various formats. And the legend can be selected to show or remove the HCV single filter variable candidates in blue, the multi-filter variable candidates in green, or the Hubble source catalog sources in grey. To download the whole HCV catalog with the light curve, select the Download Full HCV Catalog at the bottom of the interface. And this can be downloaded in various formats. And then finally, click on the Help button to go to the HCV Explorer documentation. So thank you for your time, and we hope you enjoy using the tool.